What's up guys, Chan here. For today's video, we're gonna unbox my surf apparel. Not sponsored. Let's get to it. So, ito guys yung mga parcel na binili ko online. Hindi siya sponsored, pero baka naman. So, first surf apparel natin na yan box is itong Alima shorts. Brand, local brand, Alima. Guys, this is the shorts. Black, basic black short from Alima. Nice quality. Pang surf shorts siya. So, ito yung quality niya guys. Details. Ito yung nagpabili sa akin. Details. Sure. Wow. So, next parcel. Yeah. Couple of white shirts from a local brand from Ormoc, Odyssey clothing. So, ito na yung Ford. Ganda guys, makapal yung tela guys. Tapos next, itong Krispy Kreme na logo style ng Odyssey. So ito siya front. Ito siya. Print. Quality guys. Print. Odyssey Supply Company, local brand from Ormoc. Shout out, not sponsored. Baka naman Odyssey, diba? Yes. Tapos last parcel unbox. This is a local brand from Instagram that I found. It's called love.co. Yung first shirt is Weekend Warrior. Ang ganda yung quality. So, the back. Mga surf apparel yung binilihan kasi wala na tayong damit. Kaya ng surf. So, ito yung last shirt. Small wave surf club. The 2 feet inspiring gang. Shoutout sa inyo. Small wave surf club kasi mostly I surf small waves, so it's a perfect shirt for me. Small wave surf club. So next clip guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung fit ng mga shirts. So pakita ko sa inyo yung mga kalaban. Inamot mo yun. Ambot na sa era.
Talaga minahan mas din.
Aga pa ka man, oh.
Si CJ ang pinakauna didi, alas 6 pa.
Uy! Boss Tamar bang lamba.
Tama.
Ano to, orange?
Oray, nagdubli.
Di na pamadarang, ada ka na sa ubas.
Oray lagi yan.